to my YouTube channel. This is the Captain Gala FX. Now today is another video. We want to just check on the recap of the market because we had done a video on Monday. I think it was on Monday, where we were checking on what are the possible moves of the market because we had already done what we call the Sunday analysis of the same, so that we can always check whether is always the purpose of the Sunday analysis. Basically, it is not a signal end. The purpose of the Sunday analysis, which you always post on the Telegram channel every Sunday, is to show you or to indicate for you the possible moves of the market, so that you can always check on the possible or signal entries that are available, so that you can take those given trades. Now you can see this is what we already projected on the supply zone, on the DXY actually. The possible move of the DXY, you can see this DXY had already broken this zone, which means we expect DXY to fall, because all these move we are anticipating that one is basically a retest of that given zone, so that we can go down. Basically, when the DXY will be going down, we expect gold to go up, because DXY is opposite, are negatively correlated with the gold basically. Now there are some trades which I already gave you during the week, and I told you these trades because if you watch the previous video on the trades we had already I already gave you, and you saw for those people who took those trades, and you saw the possible moves of those trades during the week. Now the first trade I gave you was on Audi JPY. That is the structure I gave you, and this structure was broken because we did a Sunday analysis of the same. You took that buy to this given zone, and that market hit TP, and that one was a whooping 105 pips. That one was a whooping 105 pips. The another trade was on the GBP JPY. Immediately GBP JPY broke this zone, there was a retest of that given zone, and we took this zone with this given candle. Now that is basically about 193 pips. That is basically about around 193 pips. Yes. Another one is I gave you, and this one I gave this signal on my signal group. You can see this is Eurocard, which has been moving, and I did a Sunday analysis of the same. Now, unajua the good thing with the Sunday analysis is basically that you will always predict or see the possible moves of the market without necessarily me coming there to basically move there with you or enter the same market with you, because everybody has got a specialization on the same. You'll always check on your pairs which you already analyzed, so that you can make those market entries. Now you can see, basically you can see this. That is why after break of this given zone there was a retest. That's why we took that trade on buys. That one was on Eurocard, and we are expecting Eurocard to hit this zone. That one will be our TP1. Then a break of that given zone will go to TP2. Without any pressure, without any pressure in the market, will be moving swiftly to that, so that you can hold that market. Holders will always be blessed. You can always close your TP market at TP1, or you can modify a sell to sacrifice about 10 pips. Then you move your TP2 to the TP1 to the TP2, so that you can move your SL to close those profits. I know I had already taught you on the previous videos on how to do that, because that one is part of the risk management technique. I was already singing about each and every time. There was a trade I gave you on the Euro NZD, but we were trapped with there was a fake out on that given market. As you can see, there was a fake out on that given market. We saw and we thought that this one was a break of that given zone. Little did we know this one was not a break, because I took a trade on a sell with this, and I was stopped out. This market came and break this given zone, pulled back to the same level of at this given zone, forming what we call head, shoulder, and a head, left shoulder, right shoulder, and the head, and we took that trade on buys from this given candle because there was a clear structure on the same on how to trade that market. And remember, this is not a small movement because we are working on the day 4 hour time frame. How much is that? Because if you took that trade from this given candle, you went with a whooping 109 pips. That is a lot of pips on the same. This is NZD card. Let us see what NZD card did. NZD card, we cannot still trade it, but we'll trade it in the coming days. We'll see. We are not comfortable now trading it. Another trade which had already make a clear entries is this one. That one was on the Euro JPY. I had already told you this one was a confirmed BOS at the during the Sunday analysis. Confirmed BOS was with this candle. This one was a retest of that zone, and we took buys from this given zone. That one was about 193 pips. That 193 pips was smashed, and we had already that somebody who took that trade. You saw that, and I gave you some analysis of the same. Without pressure, you were to lock that market, and somebody, I think someone is smiling. Someone is smiling right now. Another trade which trapped very many people was on USD card. We had three failed projection because I projected that this market will come and pull back to either this level or this level and fall, forming this structure. But this market went ahead and pulled up to past this given zone. Now we'll see what this market will do, whether it will go to this supply zone to come back, or it will reverse from this given zone. Now we'll be taking a sell at a drop past this given zone. We'll be taking that sell, or we can take that sell from the supply zone. The two can always count. Another trade was on silver. Silver, we never entered any trade because on silver we are comfortable buying at a break of this zone, and we are comfortable selling at a break of this given zone. No trades on silver. CAD JPY. CAD JPY is another great one because those are the projection we have. But I took this trade basically. I took that trade, and I bagged some profits on the same, but I closed because the market will already hit my risk reward ratio. But you will be comfortable buying when this market breaks this zone. You can buy it 112. That is good. That one will be good. Another trade was on gold. Basically, these are the movement of gold. You can see DXY is trying to pull back or retrace on the same. And I gave two zones a gold because I said when this zone is broken, gold might come to respect this zone at this given zone so that it can pull back to 2018. And that was the possible moves we expect on gold. Possible move is a buy to 2018. You can also look for entry points, good entry points for buys. Then US 30, I'm going to take that trade as after break of that given zone. I will be able to give you the signal for the same. If you are in my signal group, then we'll pull that market to that given zone so that we can grab that opportunity buys. Yes, those are the movements that the market has been showing for us. For those people who took those markets, for those people who took those trades on the Sunday analysis, it is not a must. I be on the. It is not a must. I gave you those signals. Uh, Even this was Audi USD. Some people took those buys on Audi USD and hit that TP. Now it is not a must that I show you, or I come back every given time so that I can always show you those signal entries. What I can always do, if I get the perfect entry of the market, I always send that signal to the my signal channel or my Telegram channel on the signal group. Now this is basically what happens. Guys, forex is not something you will always anticipate on making a lot of money very fast, because I know very many people are always giving up because say, if you see in Kenya, if you are a Kenyan who is here, there are a lot of fans being made, funny comedy about forex traders, the way forex traders gamble, the way forex traders are proud and bragging of making millions of money, buying big cars. What I have seen, those are nowadays forex trading is a, we call it is a content nowadays. But what I will always do is that I will always advise you that forex trading is not the way people perceive it to be outside there. It is not something you'll make that money so quick, because forex trading can even take you years for you to just make a consistent money. Remember, we are talking about being profitable. Profitability is not winning only one trade. It will take you several trades for you to be profitable, because what we'll always say that losses are part of forex. Losses are part of the game, and losses are what will always make you to become a good trader, because you'll always be learning from your mistake. uh, uh, you will uh, you will always be learning from your mistake on the same. Now you always be learning from your mistakes. Now, what I will always advise guys, that just learn from a mistake. Stop pressure of trying to prove a point that you want to show people the way you make money, because when you will be trying to prove a point, what we'll always be doing there is we'll be trying to gamble in those in forex trading. But remember, if you start trying to gambling for you to prove to people the way you make money, you are going to blow those accounts, because you are going to give up, because forex trading is not easy say and done the way people portray it outside there. It is a lot of work which needs to be put into place so that you can come up with some good strategies or market entries again. But another thing also, I can advise you guys, stop listening to people who have never done forex, because if you have experience of forex, you can never even you will never even have time outside there even creating or talking about forex, because forex trading is not that easy the way people put it. Just work on the risk management. Work on your risk management. Don't give up, because you'll always try to give up several days, several time. You'll always try to give up. Don't give up in forex. Just work on properly on risk management. Master a strategy. Once you master strategy, stop pressure. And I told you to follow the trading plan. Don't try to prove a point by making you are trying to make huge a lot of money. No, if you have 100 USD, just target even 20 USD or 30 USD. Why are you struggling to flip that account? Just try to make something reasonable in the market, so that when you are going to make a loss, you also make a reasonable loss, because the number one secret is forex is also about good capital. If you don't have a good capital, your appetite for money will go up. Now when your appetite for money goes up, uh, when your appetite for money goes up, you always tend to risk a lot. But when you have a good capital, remember your appetite for money will not go high, because when you have a 10,000 USD account, that is about 1 million Kenyan shillings, and you're trading, and you are only focusing on making about 20% of that amount. That is like making $200 or $2,000 maybe. Let me say you're targeting that in a month. That is about 200,000 Kenyan shillings. You will never blow that account easily. But when you want to have 1 million trying to make another million the same, you can make it today, but tomorrow you will lose all that amount of money. We have tried the same and have lost a lot and have recovered a lot, and we are still making it moves and moves, improving on our strategies and developing the ones, learning to unlearn, and that is how Forex is done. And thank you all. If you, allow me recommend you with my broker. Allow me recommend you with my good broker. My good broker is Exam. Exam is one of my best broker. I will pin the link down below there. go and create account in the exam link, and DM me uh, for free signals in my WhatsApp group. My Telegram group. Thank you guys, and that one was my time. And always take your time to learn forex rather than making money. Just learn, have the skill and have the knowledge so that you can also share with the people. Sharing people makes you to unlearn to learn very many things. Thank you guys, and that one was my time.